Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Odyssey online. While the game itself doesn't offer official online multiplayer for its main adventure, there are clever ways to enjoy it with friends over the internet. We'll explore the most common and effective method, which involves using specialized software. This approach allows you to connect with other players and experience the game's two-player mode remotely, bringing a new dimension to your adventures across the kingdoms. Online modifications are a fantastic technology that enables multiplayer for games not originally designed for it. Essentially, they synchronize the game's state across two or more computers or consoles, making it feel like you're playing together in the same room. Each participant runs their own copy of the game, and the mod handles the complex task of keeping everyone's game perfectly aligned, sharing controller inputs in real time for a seamless experience with up to 10 players. To get started, you'll need a robust computer, ideally with at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor, or a modded Nintendo Switch console. First, download and install a reputable Nintendo Switch emulator that supports online play or the specific online mod for your console. After installation, you'll need to acquire your game files and then carefully configure your controller settings within the emulator or mod to ensure all inputs are recognized correctly for your multiplayer sessions. Once your setup is complete, open your emulator or launch the mod and navigate to its online functionality. One player will host the session, generating a unique code or IP address to share with their friends. The other players will then use this information to join the game. It's crucial that all players are running the exact same version of the game files and the online mod to avoid any synchronization issues, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable multiplayer adventure across the many vibrant kingdoms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.